This is the story of Apollo 13, a mission that turned from a lunar landing attempt into one of the most incredible survival tales in history. In April 1970, Apollo 13 launched to fulfill the goal of landing on the moon's Fra Mauro Highlands. Little did the crew know, they were about to face a life-or-death crisis. Launched atop a Saturn V, the mission proceeded nominally until 56 hours into the flight, when everything suddenly changed. An oxygen tank in the service module exploded, damaging the spacecraft and venting precious oxygen and water into the vacuum of space. With the service module crippled, the crew faced an immediate loss of power and the critical life support systems they relied on to survive. There was no longer a path to the moon. Mission Control made the agonizing decision to abort the landing and focus entirely on getting the crew home. The crew moved into the lunar module, using it as a temporary, lifeboat to sustain them, while the command module remained powered down. A major technical hurdle emerged. The lunar module's square carbon dioxide scrubbers were incompatible with the command module's round receptacles. The crew had to build a makeshift adapter. To return to Earth, the crew executed a daring maneuver, utilizing the moon's gravity as a slingshot to propel their crippled ship back toward home. Inside the freezing ship, the astronauts endured dwindling heat and power, trusting the mathematical genius and dedication of the team back on Earth. As they neared Earth, the crew faced one final obstacle: re-entering the atmosphere with a potentially damaged heat shield. The world watched in suspense as the capsule disappeared into the atmosphere, followed by a long silence before the parachutes finally deployed. Apollo 13 splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean. It was famously dubbed a, successful failure, due to the extraordinary resolve shown by all involved. The mission remains a testament to human ingenuity and the power of teamwork in the face of impossible odds. It changed how NASA approaches safety forever.